When, in the past, smudges and spots started appearing on all of my printouts, I went to work and eventually managed to successfully fix it. But today my laser printer is throwing a new challenge at me. Although there is nothing indicating a low toner or a worn-out drum, I am getting faint prints. Time to investigate. A quick inspection of the drum does not reveal anything interesting, but I have in the back of my mind a theory I would like to check. Since the toner does not seem to end up equally on the paper, it seems that the toner feed may be the issue here. On visual inspection, there seems to be visible streaks on the roller, so maybe a little cleaning will do the trick. Let's see what happens. Was this a bust? Well, not really. Maybe it is difficult to see, but the second print is slightly darker than the original one. We are moving the needle slightly towards improved print quality. Further thinking about it, every of my prints start with a puff of steam, so I think I have now my diagnostic settled: humid toner. I rarely use the printer, so humidity has built over time. This causes improper binding of the toner to the toner feed, resulting in faded prints and streaks. Time for some slow drying.